Retrieve dictionary items using dict.Get or the __get item __ dunder method. Accessed via square brackets. Get key default equals none. Safely returns a value.
If the key is absent, it returns none or your specified default, preventing a key error. Result: age is 30. __get item __. User key directly fetches the value.
If the key is absent, it raises a key error. Use this for critical, expected keys. Example: name equals user name, gets Alice.
User city causes a key error. Choose get for flexible data access. And when a missing key signifies an error. The provided Python code initializes a simple dictionary user _ profile containing user-related information. It then proceeds to demonstrate two primary methods for retrieving items from this dictionary: dict.get and dict __ get item __, which is implicitly invoked when using square bracket notation. The examples showcase both successful retrievals of existing keys and the distinct ways each method handles attempts to access non-existent keys. The dict.get method is illustrated through three scenarios. In the first, it safely retrieves an existing value, username. The second use case demonstrates its key advantage, providing a default value, unknown, if the specified key location is not found, preventing a key error. Lastly, it shows that if no default is provided for a missing key, phone get returns none. This method is ideal for optional data where a missing key is not an error but should have a sensible fallback.
Conversely, the dict _get item __ method, accessed directly with user _profile email, retrieves an existing value. Its critical distinction is highlighted in the attempt to retrieve a non-existent key. Occupation: instead of returning none or a default value, _get item __ raises a key error if the key is not present. This behavior is useful for accessing mandatory data where the absence of a key signifies a critical error or an invalid state, requiring immediate attention.